Why is it that you do a video on one thing and then all of a sudden a similar thing pops up? Psh, helicopter. Hey, Apache. I've done a helicopter. Is it 2 videos ago? I don't know, can't remember. It's but we're still waiting for the battery to show up. However, this one I didn't buy. This one is a friend of a friend. Now, they said it's working, the helicopter. Well, we got power there. You can see the lights. But the remote isn't. The controller. Wah! So, first thing to do is test it, I think. Oh! Wow! That is some serious battery leakage. Serious battery leakage.
Serious battery leakage.
Do you know what? I'm not going to test it. Not until I've opened it up. Because I don't know what is lurking inside there. Looks like somebody has left the batteries in it for a long time. See, it's a lot with these sort of things. They kind of like, somebody goes, oh, do you know what? I'm going to buy one of them as a sort of whim. Has a few goes and then puts it to one side and forgets about it. Right. Oh, what we got here? A lot of corrosion here. Oh, wow. Scary one. Okay, so corrosion's obviously come down the negative lead, which is taking the most here, as you can see. And look at that. That is bad. However, what's going on there? Can I show you? Let's see if I can get you in. Have a look there. Where's my tweezers? Have a look at this. Look at the score in here. What's that about? God, I can feel the ridge in here. It's like if they had a went to have a go clean. Oh God, look at all this. I had to go cleaning in with a machete, flathead screwdriver, knife and fork. I don't know. It is minging in here. Got a bit of corrosion here as well. You can see the battery corrosion on the leads as well. But it is this earth here, or ground. Sorry, I keep calling it earth. That's taken the most of it. So the battery acids obviously leaked down inside the wire and took the brunt of it here. I don't know what this is about though. I don't know if they've tried cleaning it, like I said, with a machete or what. Right, let's get my soldering iron on. And while that's warming up, let's get the multimeter of dreams. And let's test that. Nope. No. Nothing. There you are. So it looks like this board is our issue. So let's take this apart. Bump, 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 bump. Come on, you know you want to. All looks alright by there. So we might go away with this now in terms of corrosion damage on that board. But this one is a whole different kettle of fish. Why a kettle of fish? Why not a bowl of prawns? I don't know. One of life's mysteries, eh? Why doesn't that want to come up then? So this switch. Yeah. Switch cover. Right, this is the LED for on and off, I dare say. God, look at that. Oh, what's going on here? Right, what we're going to do now, first off, we're going to get rid of this black earth lead. Full stop. Oh, look at this. Because it's heavily corroded inside. I'm going to see if I can clean that up. That's just disintegrated. Oh, I hasn't taken the pad, is it? No. Right, so what can I what shall I use to clean that? Let's just give her a scrape a minute. It's a big gouge here. It's a couple of years, but this one, hear it? Let's get that cleaned up then. God, look at that. See it coming? Okay, so let's get a cotton bud, a little bit of IPA, a little bit aid, bloody loads. It's caused that. Do you know what, I honestly think they tried doing something like this and somehow they've managed to and then thought, oh, balls. Right, what's the best way to approach that now? That's quite a thick. I could run a wire or I could just use a bit of solder wick, can I? If I knew where it was, because it seems to have done a runner. Oh, there it is, right in front of me. Observation skills of a friggin' mole. Right. Nice one, Ed. Right, where's my... Right, what I'm going to do before I put that on, and I'm going to use a bit of lead free on this one if I can find it. Yeah. Not lead free, leaded. Sorry, leaded. Okay, don't forget the tweezers. Pick that up. Put that down on there. It's a bit too big. That's actually fine. Solder down on there. Didn't want to solder that hole. Why did I do that for? There we are. Right, where's my what do you need to know? Spare down there. I'll resolder that one as well. I'm going to reflow around this damaged area. Seem alright now. Right, so let's do some painting. Right, this where's my UV lamp? Put that there. Normally, I'd pause this now until you come back, but we need to crack on with this side here. Put that out the way with the solder curer on it, the UV light. And then we can have a look in here. Right, are we looking with the solder mask here? It's drying. I once again always put too much on. So what we need to do now is run this wire to there. Just put a bit more on it. There we are. Yeah, I put way too much solder mask on. I'm good at that. I really am. Right, let's this positive cable's alright. It's just the negative one. So I'll give it a nice dousing. Oh, it's a nice big bowl, that's all. Here we are. Right. So, oh wait there, let's put the switch back on. What did I do with the batteries? That switch a bit, probably just need to clean, but it's working. Now the ultimate question. Oh bloody hell. Oh bloody, alright. I think that's working now. Right, I'm going to charge this up and have a go. But there we are. Fixed. So, thanks for watching. And from me, and another helicopter.
That was totally cool.